Hello, I am Arun Malik and today I am going to solve question number 24 of unitary method or chain rule. The question is, if 4 examiners can examine a certain number of answer books in 8 days by working 5 hours a day, for how many hours a day would 2 examiners have to work in order to examine twice the number of answer books in 20 days? In this type of question, firstly we have to find the number of parameters, and the first parameter here is examiners, and the second parameter is answer books, and third parameter is number of days, and the fourth one is hours per day. We have 4 examiners and they examine certain number of answer books in 8 days. The number of days are 8 by working 5 hours a day. For how many hours a day? For how many hours a day? Therefore, we have to calculate the number of hours per day. Would 2 examiners have to work in order to examine twice the number of answer books? The answer books are twice as compared to previous one in 20 days. Now x equals to 5. The value above our variable must be written on right hand side of equal to. Now we will find the relation between examiners and hours per day. If we have more examiners, then they have to work for less hours a day. Therefore the relation is indirect, so we put into sign here and we write 4 by 2 here as. Now we find the relation between answer books and hours per day. If the examiners wants to examine more answer books, then they have to work for more hours a day. Therefore the relation is direct. Therefore we put divide sign here and we write 1 by 2 here as. Now we find the relation between days and hours per day. If we work for more hours a day, then the total days taken by the examiners are less. Therefore the relation is indirect. So we put into sign here and we write 8 by 20 here as. Now if we solve it further, this is 5 into 4 by 2 into 2 into 8 by 20. This 2 is cancelled out. 5 4 times 20 and this 4 is also cancelled out. Then 8 hours a day is our answer. Thank you.